Hey there, Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? Welcome to another Draw Along face video. And these are designed to be really simple faces for you to draw. And you can download these sheets completely free, along with a whole course that I do of different faces on my website. And they're just really easy. And what I mean them to be is to show you how, with very simple strokes, you can create characters if you want to do illustrations and stuff like that. So this is a character I'm calling Bradley, and I'm going to give him little eyebrows like that. And in the ears, that's like, oh, that's an S, and that should be a question mark on the other side. So he's got his ears should mirror. But anyway, and I'm going to draw these kind of sideburns going straight up like that, and you can do a little bit of scribbly kind of stuff there. And this is where it starts to get interesting. So I'm going to take one curl up like that, and then we want to kind of follow a line across. There's a very gentle curve, and we can maybe put a couple of bits in there, and we're just going to sort of come around like that, and one more maybe. And then actually bring these down a little bit because we want this to be more straighter really. And then we're going up a little bit still, and then this can come across like that, and then maybe one more around like that. And we could just kind of thicken up the hair a bit by splitting those lines with sort of shorter little flicks like that. And you could maybe, if you really want to, if you can be bothered, you can do the same up there as well. Now Bradley needs a nose, so let's give him a bit of a blobby nose like that. We're going to give him a little smile like that, and we'll maybe, and then his lips there. He's a bit of a hipster, is our Bradley, so he's got a moustache that's coming across like that, and we can just sort of scribble that in. Really doesn't need to be terribly brilliant like that, and then we just sort of bring it a bit more definitely in around there, and then we want a really nice hipster beard. Okay, so let's do a bit of a wiggle down like that, so that will be the bottom. And then that's going to be about there, and that will be about there. So that's a guide. So we're going to want this kind of curve down at the bottom there. And the easiest way is just to kind of keep splitting, going in between the lines that you've already done, and then you'll get them nice and even. While I'm doing this, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified every time I upload new videos to help you improve your creative skills. And what you might want to do is just sort of do some little squiggles just here to make it a bit darker up at the top, and just to kind of fill it in a bit like that. And they should then act like cross-hatching in a way, sort of squiggly cross-hatching. And you will see that it all sort of comes into a kind of a thinner beard down there. And we can give Bradley some shoulders, which will probably mess up the next version of Bradley that I'm going to do. So I'm going to give him a slightly different expression to show you how, if we do the ears, to show you how all these kind of simple things, eyebrows, nose, mouth, it's kind of the mouth and the eyebrows really that really give expression to a face. So let's give him some eyes again. So like I say, if you're drawing along, then just if I'm going too fast, just stop and start again. You're not going to break the internet by doing that, and you can watch it over again as many times as you like. So let's go up there like that, up there like that. And then we're going to come around in a curve, and maybe a couple there, and we'll do these curves around there like that. And remember, we're not following the blue line, we're going below the blue line. work our way across, getting slightly higher like that as we go across, and then maybe one more like that. And we'll put these little flicks in, and we can put these extra flicks in round there as well. I'm going to give him different eyebrows this time. Okay, so I'm going to give him kind of a big hairy caterpillar eyebrows, so he'll be a slightly different character. Okay. And we can maybe do this moustache slightly differently and kind of bring it up like that, so we get a bit of a curve to the sort of the shape there like that. And he's obviously got sideburns down there, and we can give him a kind of a aggressive hipster. What do you mean you don't like my coffee? And I'm going to give him, let's say he's had a bit of a haircut, a little bit of a beard cut, and he's just going to just sort of had a bit of a trim. That's the word I'm looking for. A bit of a beard trim. Maybe he's decided he's not such a hipster anymore. Too old to be a hip. Can you be too old to be a hipster? I don't know. Maybe you are a hipster and you have thoughts on this. Maybe you're not a hipster and you still have thoughts on this. So if you think you can be too old to be a hipster, put your thoughts in the comments box down below. I'm going to take his shoulders much more up there, so he's kind of being a bit more aggressive. And this is another thing, is the position of the shoulders kind of brings the character forwards towards you. So these are two versions of Bradley. And there you go. Like I say, go to shoorayner.com courses and you will find my How to Draw Faces Real Easy course. And you'll be able to download these sheets. You can also download a whole kind of page load of them as well, so that you can spread it around a bit. Thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoo Rayner Drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.